CNC are here at STAR to have a look at a collaboration between FANUC, STAR and Renishaw. Now, this is a unique solution, first in the UK, I believe, Andy.
Yeah, we've been approached by STAR and just really to try and promote some automation applications in the industry, especially with sliding head lathes. So we went away, designed a bit of a system with Renishaw as well and STAR's input, really to give a fully automated solution for an end user.
We always seen sliding heads in the past where the parts were just coming off on a conveyor belt. They weren't necessarily being inspected or checked. Obviously they've got long run time. So what kind of solution do you have here? How has this actually changed the arena of sliding head machine tools?
From the sliding head perspective, none. What we're doing here is really taking the parts from the conveyor, using a vision system, using the vision to identify where the part is, orientation, and pick that up with the robot and then start fixturing it and checking it with the Renishaw Equator system.
So effectively you're automating the process and you're also doing the inspection in one?
Yeah, exactly. So fundamentally for us, we have to orientate the parts. We offer it up to the Renishaw Equator system. That Renishaw Equator system is then measuring the offsets and giving information on the parts to keep a nominal dimension in check. If that nominal dimension drifts, then those offsets are fed back to the machine. The machine will then correct the dimensions and carry on keeping the parts at a nominal as tool wear occurs over time.
So effectively what you've done here, Andy, is you're achieving a completely stable process, is that correct?
Yeah, no, absolutely correct. So this is a fully closed loop system that can be left for unattended operation and having the confidence to leave the parts knowing they're going to be produced to the nominal dimensions.
Do you see this being a big selling product, collaboration in the UK?
Yeah, with lots of applications. We're an automation provider, so we see a lot of applications, whether that's in the lathe industry, in the machining, vertical machine industry, to have machine tending solutions. This technology can be used anywhere in the machine tool industry and really create efficiencies for UK manufacturers.